You're not gonna let me walk out of here alive, are you? Yeah. Yep.
You're not scared of me.
No, I'm not scared of you. I feel for you, kid. I do. I mean, you're a fucking whack job. But, you know, that's talent. So, no surprise there. So, there you go. Do what you gotta do.
You can go.
I can go?
Leave no words. Just go. Now. Go. Now.
Yeah.